Hello, teachers. I'm going to show you how to use Diffit as a tool to differentiate your reading. So I have here Diffit. You're going to go to the website Diffit, and then you would log in to the site using your Google account. So then, as you can see here, there are different tabs and different information here that can be useful tools for your instructional use. So the tab I'm going to use today is article to YouTube link, and I'm going to pull a reading on the Mexican War of Independence. So I use, for today, I'm going to use right now the Texas State Historical Association site because it has a lot of credible resources. And so I'm going to pull this reading to differentiate for my students. So I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm going to paste it to this tool to go ahead and differentiate the reading. That way I don't have my students read all of this reading, and also it's higher level, so I want to make sure it's a lower level. So after I do this, it gets the options of preserve original text and if I want to align it. So in the paid version, it lets you align it to a specific TEK. Unfortunately, on the free version, it won't let you. And then you can customize it to different reading levels. So for today, I want my 7th graders to read this at an adjusted 5th grade level. It also gives you different options to adjust it to different languages as well. So I'm going to click on Generate Resources. And so as you can see, I have the Mexican War of Independence reading, okay? So it has here what the adapted reading passage is, when it was published, updated, has how it was adjusted from that link, and it has the different resources to use. It also has a summary option, key vocabulary words. I can also add different options to these, and also multiple choice questions, short answer questions, and open-ended prompts. But for today, I'm just trying to pull an adaptive reading so I can go ahead and show some scanning, reading, and paraphrasing strategies to my students to build background on this topic. So I would like to adjust this reading. So it gives me a couple options to change the text length, add or remove content, change the writing style, tense, or other. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and click on text length. And I want to adjust the reading to short. And so because it's going to redo the reading, I want it also to regenerate the vocabulary words. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, it tells me the difference between the current text and the new text. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Accept New. And as you can see, it has my adaptive reading. So now I want it to be transferred to a Google Doc. So I want to go ahead and click on this. And so it gives me different elements I want to include on the document. So for in this case, I want to just include adaptive reading passage. I'm going to remove multiple choice questions. I'm going to remove the summary, short answer questions, and remove open-ended questions. I think key vocabulary list is really important for kids to see to help them understand the reading. There's some key words. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Export. Then I'm going to click on Open Google Doc. And as you can see, I have my adaptive reading. I can make some adjustments here in case I want to make it shorter to fit in one page. Let's say I want to change this into a gray color just because I want to save ink. And then I can change the font if I like, and also change the vocabulary words if I wanted to. So this is how you can use Diffit as an instructional tool to create an adaptive reading passage.